Well, Jonathan, it is a hike, which, as you see, there had been a lot of volatility in market sentiment. But of course, it was that report that came out by Reuters. Then Bloomberg confirmed it that the European Central Bank saw inflation actually spiking next year in 2024. And that was a crucial year, Jonathan, when it comes to the transmission. The entire decision, and we talked about this many times, hinged around the idea of transmission. If you believe transmission was strong enough, you could pause. If you believe it had not, then there was a case to make this rate hike. I think, to me, it also makes sense because, Jonathan, when you come out with a report like that 48 hours before a decision, you completely change sentiment in the market and provide this platform for a hike. Today would have been a massive U-turn not to hike. The other thing to me that is interesting now, beyond the actual decision, but the language, is that they reinsert this idea that the European Central Bank will maintain sufficiently restricted levels when it comes to their monetary policy. Again, it is always a balancing act. They hike. It sounds hawkish. I wonder, though, in this press conference, how is Madame Lagarde going to balance it out with an economy that clearly is now in a downturn, and they're hiking into this downturn. And it's not just Germany and manufacturing. We should make that clear. It is now spreading across the euro area, and it's also now spreading into services. So it is an economy that is weaker, and this is a nightmare scenario they said they wanted to avoid, by the way, when they started hiking into a downturn.